yet. Somewhere it is, like in Australia. But I just got the mail. I almost forgot. This is the day, because of the holiday, that my She Reads Truth books came in. I don't know if you saw that post earlier, but I've been looking for some type of daily devotional I can do to keep my prayer time up. And I was looking and searching, and you guys gave me a lot of great ideas. And I decided to dive in and get She Reads Truth. And so, but you look at the pictures, you don't know what it's going to look like. I got one to do until Lent season. Psalms of Gratitude. Oh, it's so pretty. Look at this. And I love already. Okay, so I'm sorry. Inside, can you read that or is it backwards? May gratitude to God, no wait, yeah. May gratitude to God permeate my entire life. Oh, that's cool. So there's like drawings and whatnot. And this one's a 13-day, so 2 weeks worth of gratitudes. Day 1, you are God, Psalm 100, be thankful. I'm so excited. And then there's supposed to be portions in here. Yeah, there are, where you can write your response. Can you see that? Response. And then also, what is this? Dig deeper. And it has some questions you can answer. So, very excited. I'm going to start it tomorrow. But it's so pretty, y'all. I didn't know what it was really going to look like. But I'm pumped. And then I got the Lenten one. So I decided to just dive in and make it really easy. And they had the auto ship. So once a month you get one, and they have one for Lent season. Open this one. See what this is. Okay. So every month I'm going to get something. This includes, in this month's box, see there's a note. It says 1st and 2nd Thessalonians. Plan begins the 29th, so I'll do that one until the 29th. And then Lent. Plan begins February 12th. And then next month, 1st and 2nd Timothy and Titus begins April 2nd. Cool. And so here's the book for Thessalonians, Letters of Encouragement. I'll flip through it. See, you can see the section. I'm showing you because I know sometimes we see things online. It's like, well, do I want to buy that or not? Letters of Encouragement. And then it shows how to use the book. And then, I have like a different thing for each day. I don't know if you can see any of this. And there's a history lesson. Then there's the reading in there. This one looks a little deeper. And then places where you can write. And then last but not least, the Lent book. Oh, that's so pretty. Look at that. That's pretty cool. It's big too. Wow. It says, See the Lord's Salvation, a Lenten study of Exodus. And then you can see, hey, Carolyn, has the start date, and then table of contents. This is like serious. Oh, there's Lent recipes. Oh, that's kind of cool in here too. Grace Day, paintings. I am the Lord your God. That's really cool. So they decorated it, which I like it looking pretty. And then there's different pages talking about Lent, and then places where you can read and write in there. And it has all the 40 days of Lent. Oh my goodness. I'm very excited. I just want to stay. Exactly what it says on the back, actually. Women in the Word of God every day. I just want to be good about that this year. And so I'm hoping that this will help. No excuses. Amy and I are doing it together. If anyone else wants to do it, I know it's not too late to grab the Lent book, I should say, because it doesn't start till next month. And then they also have, they gave some art, which is cool. This, which is like the cover, Stand Firm and See the Lord's Salvation. I like. Hi, Amber, as well too. Very cool. So we'll see how I do, but now I have 3 books. This was part of the auto ship with the gift. Boom. Oh, you know what I should do? I did get an email today that they have some discount going on if you want to get the Lent book. So I'll put the discount code on there if anyone wants it. And then I'm going to start Psalms of gratitude, which I really need. Like, I've been really focusing lately. Like, I need to stop and just thank God for the rain, the rain. Oh, the snow if I was in Austin, but I'm not. But just for anything and everything, I need to be more gracious and have more gratitude. So I'm going to start this tomorrow. All right, thanks for watching. I'm going to put that coat on so you guys can see it. Carolyn Purple is your favorite color. It's gorgeous. See you guys later. Have a good night. Bye.